So I come back again. We still there for the background. We sit down. Get where they sit down, you see me? You see it, you can see it. You can see it. Here we sit down. See my son see where they bury people for dead. The background big, you know, son. I don't know how to describe it for you now. Very big, very big. Go inside this side, and they bury my husband. Inside, go. If people with they worry, if they know, this background, he big, he need to big rich worry who safe. If case not take it big way, no small. See where they bury, where they do, where person die. Now where they put the person that house where they see for their soup. And when at day night they go, everybody go, they'll put the dead body for there, they'll they talk. And where they go and they want another drink again, hold it. So what it carry me come again that people they go they laugh. When my husband die now, so they laugh me, your husband don't die because they do like this, because at the time they say, hey, my husband do like this for me, do like this for me, do like this for me. They call they laugh me. Yeah, I say, hey, the person we go do one for you again, we go say. You see? So no problem. When my husband die now, from then I know say, hey, all these people, so they really they jealous me like this. Hey, now so I tell no, so now make I tell you now. Anything what your husband they do for you, not tell person. Not do one. If I tell you, say I see they go through pain for my husband death, you know how many the years when my husband don't die? My husband don't die. 2013, my husband died. You can see 2021 I would do so. I see they go through pain of my husband. Now wait till I know if you forget for my life. I they go through pain. You see my eye where they red? Because anytime I come for the bed ground, I start they feel pain. I they go through pain because this one are the man we love me, real love, we love it picking. You know, care whether na handicap picking at all. Now you get. This one a man we really love it picking. I they go through pain anytime I come this bed ground. I will say, oh God, yeah, when I will see another man like this. And I feel say I don't feel see man like this. Now make marriage not in my life. Many people they call me. Some go call me 3 o'clock. They decrease. They decrease. Especially some of our black men. You know, see this speaking like this will be handicapped. You they call me to tell me say you love me. Your mama oko, your Nigeria mama. You know say I be Nigeria woman. You know say I get mama before. My mama only die. Nigeria woman won't see you say you deal with handicap speaking. Your brother will say, hey, you know say any woman carry oh. Now this one we get handicap speaking oh. Come and tell you now. In a way that they call my line. They won't process love. This I be fool. I don't old, I don't be small picking. I don't call my age. I don't old. I be warning. I mean, I stop to they call my line 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock. They hope you say I get handicap picking. Maybe I never do. They hungry me. Me go punish all those men then. Me now stop to they call my line. If you now won't share my video, share and make go viral. Me now share for love. Me now share and say you now won't help me. Me now talk to me for my telephone. Say oh hello, how are you? May God bless you. Look like thing I want to hear from me now. No be say you go expect me say. I'll call they pretend like say hey this man I never fuck oh yeah as they sorry to talk that talk. I did very sorry to talk. I'll call the all my body they do me. Hello. I be woman where I feel stay for 1 year. Without are they okay? They train me like that. Now so they train me. If they don't train me like that, you for years say this Munich where I dey. I do. I don't do all the old people. You for year no man go fit come outside say you don't do. If you even come outside, you go see the word where I go tell them. So are they only they telling they train me from my home where I come from now Christian home. My mama na Christian home now they come from. My papa now some of them be juju then nifty doctor I say nifty doctor juju that they do juju there some of them they go church. But if you see my grandmama now Christian. Everybody from my family now don't turn to Christian. You know go see anyone like this say now still juju now they do. You know go see anyone like that. All of them don't turn to Christian. They don't change. My papa family, my mama family. So I beg, I think go big now. They train me well. I know my family, they not bad. My mama side, my papa side, they not bad. They did for their husband house. Everybody did for their husband house. My cousins, my mother, everybody. So I beg in a way and they call me for nights. If you say maybe body they do me, I define guy, maybe I make a come outside. I come outside to protect handicapped people, like my children, like my pikin. I come outside to fight for them. They stop to the bully them. They stop to the laugh with the mother. Now make a come outside. I don't come outside to go find man. Me, I don't think so. I come outside to find man. I get guy. I get my guy. Eh? I know come outside, come say I won't do one thing or I won't come find a guy for one place. I beg. Me not leave my telephone. Me not they share my video. Me not assist me. Don't be saying I'll come like a snake, sweet mat. That kid get sweet mat. Now me now you won't carry a sweet mat for. Now me now you won't carry me what old. Now you won't carry your sweet mat for. After I get this kind of picking, now you won't process love for me. Ilo. Hey. Know how many women that kid don't destroy for this Germany wadi. Now me now won't pretend ilo. Me go punish you now with the law. Some of them not be all document. So document if you talk to them, they nice. But soon, before you go talk to them small like this, they will say you they love them. You they find them. Must you look for all women before you go fuck the one way get HIV? Me not stop to the fine woman like that. Me not stop her. I think the thing again I make her put this video. People they work out for the bedground. You can see. Now bedground are there. Me not stop her. Won't come at 3 o'clock this night. I look at Daki. I know answer her. I say, see, this woman no say person they sleep. You know say person they sleep. I tell you say they find man. Yeah? I they go through pain. When my husband died, the man will love me. You say be mumu. When I won't say na Daki, man they find. I beg I to go begging now. I come here to protect children. Pikin like my pikin. Me now see this my pikin. All the darkies here. Your mama no go like me like this pikin. Stay away from my line. No, they call my line again. Because I don't be mama. I be real worried girl. Forget that they Europe. I be real worried girl. Look me, worried girl. Now they take bomb me. I mean, they be the first girl. Man say the second young girl, the first young girl will drive car for worry. Now me, people know me. I don't call people name. Now me like the first girl. I drive my car at the age of 17 years. Now be as small. Now they drive car. The news enter worry. He enter Lagos. He enter Port Harcourt. He enter everywhere. They say one girl. Oyibo get up. Oyibo man don't buy car for him. What's this picky papa? You say I be fool now. Today now I take on this life. I dey find man. My body they crash me. Now me now I want useless. Like when now useless many women finish for you. Turn them to single mothers. And those ones, they don't even get sense. They just they waka because body they scratch. They find big something like this. The big one. Look me where I be worried girl. Born and brought up from worry. No call my land, no define man. Me now share this video, me go viral. Me now share and me go viral. I no come here, come find man. Even Oyibo man, no they even they find them. Because now they're not even useless. Many of them they useless too. The person who I love where now they bed the ground for yes. Now I die. I'm not sure I go see any man like that. So me now leave my land, be widow. Me now leave my land. No call me, no they mumu, no they say oh, you get money when you want shop. You no go see my money shop. Worry baby. Oh, worry baby, back. Look my hand back. Worry baby, real worry picking. No they give my money. 10 kobo like this. No give man. Now me won't give you money. When I carry you go party, I'll go buy dress. We go dress you rich grand. Carry you go party. We go punish you. They worry girl like me. Now I won't give my money. If not because of money, now make it now they call me. Maybe now don't calculate money. Calculate. Me now not call my line. Don't call my line. Because I'm not stupid. I get sense. I not be small picking. Now mumu woman. Now they give my money. Man is supposed to give woman money. Not be the other way around. Now make I just come talk this talk so. Me now share the video, share on, me go viral. Me now go my YouTube channel. Now Mama Hans TV. Subscribe me, you see what I do with my pikin. Now make a come here. I no come here to come find guy. I beg, I dey beg all the women. Me now they call my line. They call me 3 o'clock for night. They call me anytime for night. No call my line. No, they find man. I know they find man. Share my video, make it go viral. Share it. I come to fight for children like this. Not come for. Not be to come look for man for you. So bye. I love you all. Me now share the video, make it go viral. Now bed ground now day for you. Now you can see. You can see the place that I am. Can see very big. So the other will build the place. Can see very big. You go inside the side. See where they bury my husband on that side. See my son. Eh? Then one black man they call me say he love me. He love. See him mouth like he love. See after I do destroy millions of women. Millions. So my time what I even drive car 90 no be when I was 17 years. What I drive car. If you see my time, also they destroy one girl life. The girl Oiboma open stuff when I do finish, she say na like this night they find for Dakion. Oiboma leave her, you collect everything from her. Now story now I won't tell you. Many of them, if they come through this video, they know say I know them. So take time, don't call my line. I know they find man. I know they find man. See my picky for you.